Hello students, now we are going to discuss very important topic, that is aldol and cross aldol condensation. It is a very important reaction of aldehyde and ketone. Already we have discussed Cannizzaro reactions. It is also another important name reaction of aldehyde and ketone, that is aldol and that is cross aldol condensation. In aldol condensation, what happens that two molecules of aldehyde or ketones having alpha hydrogen atom reacts with dilute base, that is NaOH or KOH, or that is in acidic medium, it produces beta hydroxy aldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone due to condensation of these two molecules forming aldol or ketol. That is, it depends upon the nature of reactant taken. For examples, that if you take aldehyde, for examples, if you take aldehyde RCHO, this is your aldehyde. Two molecules of aldehyde in presence of base forming condensation product. The product is like this, RCHOH. Then from this one hydro, suppose it is a methyl. If it is methyl, then that will be CH2CHO. If R is methyl, then R will be CH2. So these two condensed product in presence of base, and this compound, this product contain one aldehyde group and OH group, that's why it is called aldol. This is aldol. Aldol means aldehyde group is there and OH group there. Already this thing, aldol condensation, already we have discussed in our previous video, that is in aldehyde ketone chapter. Name reaction also we have discussed. So this is called your aldol because it produces aldehyde and alcohol. But if you take one ketone, for example like this, suppose CH3CO, in presence of OH minus forming CH3COH, CH2CO, CH3. This is called your ketol. Ketol means here ketone and all, both is there. Keto group is there and all is there. This is called ketol. And here aldehyde group and OH group, this is called aldol. And here these two molecules generally always combined, always condensed, forming one aldol product or ketol product. But condition is both aldehyde ketones should have alpha hydrogen atom, having alpha hydrogen atom. Here this is alpha group, this is also alpha. If it has alpha hydrogen atom, then these two molecules combine to form that aldehyde, aldol or ketol, having aldehyde group and OH group, having keto group and OH group. And this is called also beta hydroxy. This is called also beta hydroxy aldehyde. And this is called beta hydroxy ketone. So this is called beta hydroxy aldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone is formed. So generally this is called aldol condensation. What is the mechanism of aldol condensation? That is very important. Mechanism is like this. If you take one example, suppose you take this compound CH3CHO, you can take, or any aldehyde, suppose CH3CHO. This is here first step, two molecules of this in presence of OH minus, that is base. The condensation product is CH3CHOH and the second compound is like this. This is your final product, beta hydroxy aldehyde, that is aldol. What is the mechanism? In the first step, what happens? This CH3CHO in presence of OH minus will obstruct one hydrogen, that is here it takes H from this alpha carbon. From alpha carbon it takes hydrogen, so it becomes CH2 minus and CHO. This loss of hydrogen from this, it produce which compound? So this is the CH3CHO in presence of OH minus forming CH2 minus CHO. This case, this is the RDX. RDS means rate determined step, that is slow step. This is your slow step forming carbanion ion which acts as a what? Nucleophile. In the second step, this is the first step, formation of carbanion, that is nucleophile. In the second step, what happens? This CH2 minus and CHO attack another compounds. Which compound? Here CH3, C double bond and H. As it has carbonyl group, partially positive charge is there, that's why it attack to this position and forming what is the product? Forming the product is just you see, that is CH3. Then when attack, it will become O minus, CO minus, then CH2, CHO. This is the product. But this product, in presence of you can say in presence of water or acid, it is converted to alcohol, CH3COH, like this. As it has H already is there, H is there, then CH2CHO. But this product, it produce an elimination product on heating. It loses water molecule, it produce CH3CH double bond CHCHO, alkene, and the functional group is formed as alkene with aldehyde group. That is, we can say alkenal. It is also called as alkenal. Alkenal is formed. Alkene and al, or alkenone, like this the product is formed. So this is the last product, that is elimination product on heating the substance. So this is here the rate depends upon, if you see the rate dx by dt only depends upon K and the concentration of your aldehyde, and OH minus, both it depends. So it is second order reactions, as it depends upon aldehyde and base, so it is a second order reaction. So this is the mechanism of the aldol condensation. But another thing, if the nature of aldehyde or ketone, if you take different molecules, two types of aldehyde or ketones, this is called cross aldol condensation. This is called cross aldol condensation. In what happens in cross aldol condensation, two different molecules will be taken. For examples, if you take one aldehyde that is having alpha hydrogen atoms and another, suppose one ketone CH3CO CH3, it has also alpha hydrogen atoms in presence of base OH minus. What will the possible product? What will the condensation product? As it has one alpha hydrogen atom, so as it has one alpha hydrogen atoms, it has also one alpha hydrogen atoms, both having alpha hydrogen atoms, then the product, if one will combine, the product will be, suppose taking the first, suppose this is A, this is your B. Taking A, what will the product? The product will be, suppose CH3, CHOH and remaining CH2CHO. This product is formed. If you take that is B, the product will be CH3, that is CO, O become here OH, then CH2, CO, CH3. This is your second product, that is self condensation of aldehyde, self condensation of ketone. This product is formed. Then this is also CH3. Then another product will be formed if you take both That is your self condensation, then cross aldol condensation with the combination of this. It will be either both. Suppose if you take this one compound CH3 CHOH, then this will combine CH2 CO CH3 plus another one. If you two taken the primary, then what will the product? CH3 CH3, then C become OH, then this will combine CH2 CHO. So this is the cross product. This is the cross product, two cross product, and these are two self condensation. Self condensation of this one, taking A, and this is AA combination, and this is BB combination, and this is your AB combination, and this is also BA combination. So like this, AB and BA. So how many product is formed? 4 products are formed during cross aldol condensation. So the nature of product depends upon the nature of aldehyde ketone taken. So that is important formula, you just note down. If both are symmetry, so for examples, if CH3, then here CH2CHO, then another CH3 CO CH3. Here it is a symmetry. It is a 1 alpha. Here also 1 alpha. Means this is also similar type. This is also similar type. These are symmetricals. Both are symmetrical. If both are symmetrical, suppose this is A and this is B, both are symmetricals, then their nature of product will be how much? How many condensation, aldol condensation product will form? For self will be, for examples, for self will be 1 and this will be also 1. So that is 2. Initially self product will be 2 and a cross product of 2. So total will be 2 plus 2, that is 4. 4 product will form like the above. 4 product will be formed. 2 plus, that is 1 for A, self condensation product for A, and self condensation product of B. So 2 self condensation product is 2 and cross product also 2. Both will be exchanged, it will give also 2. Total will be 4 if both are symmetrical. If one is symmetrical, another is unsymmetrical. So for example, CH3 CH2 CHO, here it is 1 alpha. This product, this is one symmetrical, you take one unsymmetrical. Unsymmetrical will be, that is CH3 CO, that is CH2, then CH3. If you see, this is unsymmetrical because it is also one type of alpha, it is also one type of alpha. Here it is 1 alpha. This is your symmetrical and this is unsymmetrical. If both is unsymmetrical, if one is symmetrical, another is unsymmetrical. Symmetrical in this case, how many product will form? Symmetrical. Suppose this is your A and this is your B. Here what happens? A for A will be, self product will be 1, self condensation will be 1, and your self condensation for this will be 2 because this is a one type of alpha, this is just one type of alpha. So result will be 3. Self condensation product will be 3. These 2 alpha not are same. So this is your alpha, this is your alpha. This is will be, so 2 for this, 1 for this. So 3. Another also 3. Condensation, cross aldol condensation will be 3 because this is your 2, this is also 1. So this is also 3. Result is 6. That means for one is symmetrical, another is unsymmetrical. Total aldol, that is aldol condensation product will be, cross aldol condensation product will be 6. When both will be symmetrical, the total aldol cross aldol condensation product will be 4. That is if, that is third case, if both are unsymmetrical. Suppose CH3 CO, then CH2, then CH3 plus another is pH, that is CH2 CO, then CH3 in this case. So here is, this is also one type of alpha, here also one type of alpha. This is a two different alpha. This is one type of alpha, this is one type of alpha. Here is how many? Here one type of alpha, here also one type of alpha. Both are different. So as two, this is also unsymmetrical, this is also unsymmetrical. When both are unsymmetrical, if you see, for both unsymmetrical, here total product you see are 2 alpha carbon atom here, here also 2 alpha carbon, so self condensation product will be 4. Plus if both will mix, so cross condensation product also 4, result is 8. So it's very important, when both are unsymmetrical, total cross aldol condensation product will be 8. If one symmetrical, another is unsymmetrical. Unsymmetrical means different alpha carbon atoms. This alpha carbon atom is not same with this. But if you take acetone, this alpha is same as this alpha. This is called symmetrical. This is also symmetrical. If one symmetrical, another unsymmetrical, result will be 6. Remember this formula. If one symmetrical, if both are symmetrical, here also symmetrical, this is also symmetrical. This is also symmetrical. If both symmetrical, result of aldol cross aldol condensation product will be 4. Both are 4. So you have to remember, this is the theory. What will the cross aldol condensation of the combination of two aldehyde or two ketones having alpha hydrogen atom? This is very important. It should have alpha hydrogen atom. So I am giving some homework questions. So you will complete this homework and you send the answer in the comment box, and don't forget to complete the answers, and you positively you will send the answer in the comment box, and the next video will discuss the answers. The question is like this: what will the possible product? This is homework. What is the possible product? If first question is, suppose one is formaldehyde plus acetaldehyde in presence of OH minus. This is one question. Second question is, if this is your ketone, 2 molecules of ketone in presence of OH minus. So what is the possible product? So these two questions you have to see. I am giving the hints. This is your alpha hydrogen atoms. This is also one alpha hydrogen atoms. Here it has no alpha hydrogen atoms. It has alpha hydrogen atoms. As it has one alpha hydrogen atom, it has no alpha hydrogen atom. So alpha hydrogen atoms, first it loses H plus ion to the base, forming carbanion. So it loses hydrogen, it forming carbanion ion. Only it will attack by nucleophile. It will attack the nucleophile. So it has no alpha hydrogen atom, means it cannot lose H plus. So nucleophilic mainly, here the nucleophilicity character mainly depends upon your aldehyde has less nucleophilic than ketone. So remember, nucleophilicity then CHO less than ketone. Nucleophilicity, if you see nucleophilic, that is CH2 minus CHO, and this one is CH2 minus COCH3. So nucleophilicity character mainly ketone, that is ketone and aldehyde. If there is a difference between aldehyde and ketone, always for ketone that nucleophile is formed will be more reactive than the aldehyde nucleophile. So if you compare the formation of a nucleophile in the first step, rate determinant step, ketone is better than the aldehyde in terms of formation of nucleophile. So but reactivity, if you see the reactivity, aldehyde is more reactive than ketone, but formation of nucleophile as per the mechanism, so more favorable formation of nucleophile is ketone. So if one is aldehyde, another is ketone, best cross aldol condensation product will be more stable. Aldol condensation product will be which one? The keto group should produce the nucleophile compared to the aldehyde. So this is the difference between the formation of nucleophile, the nucleophilicity character of the carbanion forming due to the formation in the first step, rate determining step. So in the what are the side products, what are the possible product you practice? If you see here, for example, already I have given one examples already, that is acetaldehyde and acetone combination. When acetaldehyde A, this acetaldehyde is combined, the product is like this. As per the loss of loss of hydrogen, if you take ketone, loss of hydrogen also, it produces this product. If you take cross aldol condensation, so by taking this one with A, B is one product. By taking B and A, what means if A will be, if B is a nucleophile after loss of hydrogen, this is the product. If A is losing hydrogen, this is the product. So which will be generally, if you compare these two cases, if you compare these cases, here better nucleophile will be this one, loss of hydrogen compared to this one. So CH2 minus COCH3 is more nucleophilic than CH3, CH2 minus CHO. So this is the order of reactivity of a nucleophile is formed. So the nature of product, number of cross aldol condensation product depends upon the nature of reactant, nature of aldehyde ketone use. If both are symmetrical, so total cross aldol condensation product will be 2 plus 2, 2 plus self condensation, that is one for this, one for this, that is 2, and another is for cross. Both will be interchanged, that is 2 plus 2 forming 4, like this, 2 plus 2, 4. If one is symmetrical, one is unsymmetrical, 3 plus 3 will form. This is remember very important for your examination. Then if both are unsymmetrical, if both are unsymmetrical means both having 2 alpha hydrogen atom, one alpha hydrogen this side and another this side, both are different. So this is for 2 and another also 2. That's why, because the unsymmetrical, that the environments are different, that's why 2 for, why it is 4? 2 for this side and 2 for this side. So self condensation will be 4 and cross also 4. Always self and cross will be double. But here in this case, that homework I have given, in this case you see how many possible, as it has no alpha and it has only alpha, only 3 product will form. For this only be one cross, one condensation product will be this one and another will be this 2. So how many? Only 2 is formed. One is for this one and another with this and this, that is 1. So total will be 2. So this is the case. If one having no alpha and having 1 alpha, that will result will be 1 plus 1, only 2, because for this self condensation product is 1 and cross will be 1 also, because it has no alpha, so result will be 2. So like this, and what will the nature of product? You will give the answer, you will complete the answer and send the answer in the comment box. But another thing, one remember, don't forget to share the videos, and if you like these videos, please press the button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And any doubt you have, you can send your questions in the comment box and we can discuss the answer in the next video. Okay, thank you all.